Episode for Ahaya GC News, Mema Obibia Aquawa, Ahadia latest and hot news, and Qua Eramede Bremo. Erunti so when subscribe to channel dia bomodia say over subscribe the way and say over click the subscribe button no na wa barely notification no where sa video for be upload no when the first person want sa ebeka sa video afi we be na wa like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma wo foforo so na we je bi hwe na wo hu esemo a ekoso gara memo ha no afi yembura ye esemo abeto yepno so Inti a yes, our report here about to just answer me. Inti as a way of course.
The breaking news in the say government official Ben and Wakoje duty free shops at Terminal 3 and the company no in the first place one register at Ghana. Number 2, a hodum won't your rent. Number 3, won't your tax. That person must go to jail. As I said, Yama no so no coco testing in Sawamu Honum Senia was it here. Ghana Airport Company, Terminal 3, Yajina say President Mahama Anna Osi. In fact, one man we I know Frabem MPP by Omotoaso, every year. There are few companies here, people in government, not just in government, at the presidency, Akufo-Addo time, from 2017 to say a year as the same. AJJ shops, our honum, company Edino Muyusuno is not registered. In the Registrar General say, I can say department, and as a registrar of companies, or more register it. As a son, or maje, I Juma sa for Yefan says 7 years. Now, when your company is not registered, you know they will not trace you, so you will not pay tax. Ora, immediately, let's do head count at the airport. For more majiji shops, no, our departure hodomuno. Let us do it. I have one particular one. Penipa, our Jubilee House. And then an Akufo-Addo, one in Ere, and the Ozayino. On the Medidino Bravo Street. Abai change ya. We would take you over pair. Or what delete on my website. Everything about the company on the website in Google no. Or what delete you know. But I know. Say Omuwo expert or Mubeti Matrisi and Nyasa Nyamano. You know. Why you may say this country, GRB calculate year by year for that long time now, or mutra or Montreal 1 city plus interest they need to pay. They need to pay. Look, we want Ghana. Ye say yes, we are in Ghana. The Toda Ghana for more bridge, Toda Namu be cry me one. Wrote we say, and just started pet, Ubeja Ghana for mucha bridge on Papa defending. Say a witch hunting. As ordinary person, say who apply, say who pay shop or honoma. Ask them. The hell you go through, the process, fear obetia, Nigeria refugee now so every day, because obi opposition okita power entino, waje shop no, wanene taxes. The name is there, but the name no to us. So after airport that Uber who is here, but I don't want to put the name here. Me the man ora for Nangasa first. me the more no mo nsaka wie bia the next day and I say bibisa no meba measure that the dinner ma beto ase ye bo nipa wone ne yire and me say how can one person be greedy like this? How?
The question is all those
How? So greedy. Everything in Ghana should be you can't say his. Aden. Me say Jambo next week na me launch me group JDM Advocacy no. Me t-shirt no be ready this week. Nti ebe yeyi me say ye bewura babia.
the motion is hereby adopted.
Ye bewura babia, ye be make sure. Look, when you get the opportunity to serve the country,
His Excellency the President
make sure say why ye juma wundi kwa Ghana for beka say yes. Me mercy oba. This is the effect. This is the change.
Minister
But man konko ye Ghana pasasa. Say obetimi sa duty free shops. Me say just walk to airport say open duty free shop. Na ye mount procedure ni fear obetua. So obetimi a.
Honorable Minister
And so just say obi di to me. Who to me now the man no. Wo na mo ko ba no onko bi no. Okay? What the akwakoje free. One ne yire no mu didi. No tax. Ghana for kai for ne de. Omonko dakom.
we believe they will make
A lot of things. They say Ghanaians will be amazed. The kind of things are ever up on one. They will be amazed.
Do you have an indication?
They will be amazed. I can focus in your sister, Unkwa Udia, Unkone. They never saw na Unkwa Ofumoye.
Honorable members, before we bring the curtain down,
Say, me catch them say, Obaha.
allow me
Na obedin kwasi asemwa. I will block you in the first place.
a word of gratitude
Will comment, besa delete.
to you,
And he say no, but they can meet you first. Masa Bano, you cannot even write on my wall anymore.
accepting
Me end the life no pe will comment no mesa delete.
religion.
Oye Jimmy for angaza. Look, obi ani ho na no ya se mi o. Me obedi matema dia me di watem no ho. Obi ani ho na no ya se mi o. See ya. Mode ya mon try me.
Honorable members, let me pledge to this house by establishing
Yeah.
the whole nation
Me all the time me say udi trotu obi so na nipa no bodu e benyan. So
I will be
that nti me nka asem a menim.
fair,
Say ma sheda say mba be di trotu obi so I will not do it.
I will put
Kansa na me ka bibi no me na ma ye double sure. I check it I say yes adini ni
and our
answer. Enti say obi betima kwa je shops ewo airport na wa susa nyoma gum one ne yire ne yeto no mudi na Ghana for nkaye esofa. It means say
my family
baby adru no as say ye ma ono so ekọ na okoko test insa wom honum se ne hosite
it says grace
because one can create a company no without registering. And you cannot work with a company in this country and make money without registering. It's a crime.
honorable members on that note.
It's a crime.
Thank you once again honor to have
It is some for the dear. Hey, or for more you Mugu Juma. The Juma says somewhere.
Tomorrow, 12 o'clock in the morning. The house stands.
This time, may Baba serialize certain things. Me Bora Jubilee House and Kasa. That's serializing your maybe. Ghana for will see say, Now there are some people, huh? Oh dear, yeah, to tune your maybe. Per se, fuck can be so come up. Mudumbu. TV Fujina ho. Mubo Husike between Guabonting. Mudumbu. I didn't know be wicked to this country. Ubia ye Juma, yes, or ye Juma se opiska. But men, yes, so greedy say. Sika di beye bibi di abo mino. Unkwa was saying an obitimedi. Saying. Eti mesremo. Adene de afe ni ashazie. Kakra ye bedru ho. Kakra ye bedru ho. That person must go to jail. And yes, I say na me hwe ayi. Power change 2 weeks anew. And not don press dokunu boye din. Okosusu okoto dokunu boye din ana mse wa ahwe. Oni mse wa na o expose ho. So eti mesramo. Sadem kai no ye be serialize no every day 1 point. Every day 1 point. Near deba. Na mebo company ni din enye ne. Mebo company ni din. Nipa wone ne yire ana o sa company no mebo ni abisa o mo se adenti ana mo akwa delete o mo website direct to the company whatever na treho adentia makoje ni nyina atwa ho screenshot ni ade nyina e de ato they will go to jail. Scandia mwanya bio, mwasisa bio. Lemo mube di scan wo jero. Oba godi wo insawom. Now young people full soldier. Oba akofo asisa japade nyina abo mebo. Wa ama obi. Aba betra na obetro nkwasiasem. Me, what the bami swam the bemo to. Me nyo hu fo ba kokura. Me nso obi okrom. Obi anso ni hwana no ya seme. Utwa me mekawo. Na do ga gwasi na me ntimi gabi. Me ma triple of it. Triple. What dear? Meira ya Daniel Braminti, Menemusi Hasena. Medidivia Bantima Maudechina, another chapter. There is Opesa because we didn't watch that they had never seen anyone. So, at the answer, the way of coffee, you know, necessary. Eti, moi. Once more, more mubeja ye nyina ya damu nyina ase. Ana masaka. Ya metro wo me wo abasamia uku. Me free makuma mu na me troye. Me se free na ekwe, me nka na asem biom. You don't have any right to tell me say me nka na asem. Wonso so wa no. Opa wonso kokoka. Ana me boa. Wonso kokoka. Odo a wa show to me no. Me nkoka na asem. Me kana asem a na ya sempa amede bona baso wa wo se wonti ase no wonso kokotra radio so ana for Facebook na wonso so kan e wonim e no ano no mo amu pese mo dwane advocacy group ni nyina no problem wo dey send me messenger with your number I'll go yenta de na efe brutal efe papa the day na me launch group no obia obaba bia no ebenya bia hye kama and tie ne ba be wura ntokuro no mu akwakotwe omo abama attorney general de omo akwakojina court no na bibia chima toto a free service. We don't need anything for it. We are doing it for the country. Send a better country no be konanim. Monim, some of us yeah, we stand by our principle. We stand by that. Na let's gonna have a the brutal. Ede media mamu. Mwanzo sono mo beti ba your investigations. Edin nana kampesa me de to habat. Mashada me pese me de ma team no first. Me ba be test ni nyina ade amo mo ansa me angasa mehia omo. Na fi ma mo the proper briefing about that. After that no me de ba be to ase. Ma nipa na ene one ne yire. Na mo how people, some of the guys are wicked. How muye pesemin kuminya. Wamu party form, omuntimi mua omu. Any ade. Hono mu say, ano nya party ni baako, peni bi no ase o. Won kokko fast away na so faye bibi, na fa hwe ades na. Enkenye. Yo. Me rasha se, washa se. O pese me jana mi didi. Ana mfiza mbo ambeza muhwe ni mo eda na kono ba me mbeza obi abehu de ni amedi eti ada savede eti ada munyina ase obi atro na de. Who are you to interpret the person's mind? Who are you? Mena me say ne samia uku eyeye ema me ne meyire enya time eba yie ni ntino men mie ma no enka na asem obi di na asem be ma me say ni say ya me mie ma no nka wo se won ti ase akwashipo e na wo na wo se won ti ase no wo de wa no yapam wa no wona wo kasa wonti ase no eye no ba bi eya na bibi ha mo adwene won ya na bibi ha mo adwene.
Otherwise there are decisions the constitution provisions
na ka hwane na ni mu se agufo ado ne JJ Lawrence baba ya adamfo kroma se na ka hwane ni mu sa ade no ese so mo be ya adamfo
if they have to ring the bell.
Ti sanse muhunu na ya bunyai mesramu. Mena ma decide say I will expose some kind of rot. Ana me say men kan obi asemu biem because of papa wa ya mame wo se wonti ase utibo mu ohun
I believe that when debates are over, what is required by us.
Yeti misramu me de made to ho me trom bibia. I don't invite comment. Most at times I am block me comment section because I don't need your comment for anything. I just put information down. Read it. Obi be reading what just read it and pass.
Just because someone has done an observation and so the video don't have
Men come on per comment in the Aquaco Pesca or Facebook. No, I'm not part of it, and I will not do that too.
I respectfully pray that
you know. Oh, Trobi be me walla. And they say my broken in more than they 72 today. Me every day I block. What's wrong with yourself? I'll block you and delete your comment. My wall is my wall. O pesa what's wrong with yourself? Fanu ho afako to wall. Me ma me kaimpo. Ni o pe bi akoko tro ho I don't care.
Senior pani bi kan o se obi a pese ne bako teacher papa onye teacher papa obi a pese onye fitani papa kire na de obi a pese onya hospital doctor papa no hwe no na ande ne ba na memu odi a o pese obenya friends enkofo omu odu obi papa fo na adu omu bebu man na ofo obi akeke no akonte no na o de na abewesi frimo pali ye nipa e fan say ndi chi mo sa emfie nwotwe na frimo pali hwe enkofo hwe piani mu hwe kwan yo mu fa so omu beye chief of staff kuma so what I say oba besia won sa house we aban na ma che say airtime kura na ka be dey no man konya sa 11 cars o che agenda 11 kwa di frimo pali bet I'm telling you agenda 11 hospital kwan ya wo fa so no a ne fa procurement no no asande ni nyina ba na office be hye ni fufuro me say mu de mu okuru ma se wa mbete ho asa o de mu okuru ma me bi release be baba na bi ene Justin Kodia o maso ya be hye okuru ma enye lusu na ye lusu keke so mu nyina o mu nya ban position o de say et okuru ma ye nyina sane me obi e monitor me so me monitor obi because yen ye koye duma no mama na muji position ni wi na mo say mo di position ni be sisi party fo a se me no mi no abo enye na abo
okay chama me ba cho obi comment o say mumu say te say dipa te say wo ene ye hia mo say the resetting committee ni ye de wo eka ho ye mo sa akonya na obeso
oh we say me ye Juma Ma Kennedy.
Okay.
So what I say, it's paying in a party, Jumani, so almost research committee, no, will be a training the Diaco. And I may be in country will be the Comao.
Okay.
Me Maum,
okay.
Ye tour, but we Kennedy, ye na. So what I say, ye na me let a co say. The reason why Kennedy, ye Mumfa delegate issue, no, and Twenty. Some of our 20 and say, can be before Bonium de Ghana food, you know, make us say, ye debate. Me fan say ye be to say si yenye committee na omontino omfanye rally ye 16 regions na ye nchim say bia o de be yenye rally be for akese for grand say ye campaign na ye mpo bia acho na nado na nkasa megina campaign platform so nkase enkofo amubon ni na no mehwe mo foliata e ma sa bond na ekoyo me sadam sayem obi o ha na ne maame yale obi o ha ne papa yale obi o ha waye adwuma 60 years ne bond no onye businessman no enu no okodi dem e na mo fa sa bond ne se mbuchi an 15 years as 20 years as 25 years enu ho hi so as I say party for ne so amomo mu di yawo na amanfo bre ye campaign ni ade na ye ka untumi ebe yi good edi go Ashanti region party chairman your party chairman your party general secretary obi anka nwore eno no ne hye amanfo obufu e wo kroma enti monim we nyina makokwe enipa 275 ene o parliament went ni ene omumpo ancomplete ena why the worker say obi ye memfumso nti bra adwasafo a menu yi say me bane moni bia e wo no ye mfento ye ma party nti wo fin se wutumi nti no wo do ba chenchen a wo di bitu ni ena obi hwe no bituti a nipa om tuti a wo na wo kwetena fie wo ye wadwuma yi anke betu ati a and we are also better committee. I don't want to continue your parliament now. We should first answer. Near here, Bana would deliver to address of one. Quite of us, you see, yes, I continue. Yes, I continue. And Zania, ya be who say, a friend say, there be aha, HI, it's okay. Next time, MPP baby man will be our region. Nana will promise you, Ashanti region say, or Bema billionaires. I'm a good for. Eja say o with Ashanti region nipa say no body on for bilunia enko for the iron rods on the cement ekoma party say untumi ye fancy party office with say ekodi info
wow
so what I say ekodi koka eno kwasi ntin so ka ho o mo na jeje sa anyema ni nyina so what I say enti mo jeje ye no with say ni nyina untumi ni andi o ma fa enti wo wie no wo say ye be ye research wo mra party na anka ho wi and Sanya Mano Namu, Mamu party chairman, Obi any was such a party chairman, Obi any was such a general secretary. Namuye weighing in a party for Nankasano, Namufin so we are not delegate. Alajuheya. One and a greater Accra regional minister. Yeyi ni ede ne koye. Enya Henry Cote. Yeyi ni ede ne koye interior minister. One interior minister post for national wase. Ni aye election na obi otwa loto onu na etu interior minister. Loto forecaster on the two interior minister.
Ano wande.
Ano nyedi.
Ano yede.
Hwe obi a sofu bi a okita mark preach e wo kwan mu onu na etu ni obey your dance no your friends. Sagi ya ni dindin event dansuma MP no friends. Oh, mo media for so mo nya sharp dansuma MP ya event no on na hwe Esra usu wo sofu nya se sofu bi a ni mu odu sofu okita mark na mkwan won the two Esra usu. Now o ka chere say yenye reset there reset when I catch us MD before nim ade a ade hwe ho. O de mo wa me say me man kana na bi asem kra yedi betu na na bi information na bi your friend say ba pastor e gufura di Yesu ono say ade ne de ye paperwork ntinya de ameka Fremont Pali office e ho ni ye check Galamsey site na no e ho na omo check Galamsey site e wo Fremont Pali office obi ye agenda 11 yi nyina Fremont Pali ni omo pass afa we no afa procurement no no abetena wo san hye ne foforo na no fin say NDC bo no be say on go free on je bega se ko se mon pani adwo nti ye bega si nyina ye tikuri mu je bega nti me de I won't say anything but me make a party for ne say say ye reset there and ye ni na omunya campaign say ye rally apa party for ni na achew okay mo pa mo chew dia na do de o me pa Ghana for chew keke ono de ni ye Ghana for a mo bond nti can frate because e bin see that say MPs makomako 80 ababontin say nana sesa can frate u nana sesa IGP u nana mi akasa me chiro let more than several times say won IGP a oni obi akọ contest munti o oni obi akọ contest na nipa no o ye de amount say nana do appoint for the IG unua na o de ko contest no so ye COP o ye police ni enka o si oko MP a enyo kra na nka obebo a na nka ya record say na mpare apen so ene ye de George Mensa ebeye MP police for kra bebo na shemu police for nyam NDC for boa police ni a na o ye aid ema ye fe Kudalo the Nyekudalo, Nanado MP, and Nanado, we friends. Asantiapitu, Emma Santiapitu, Aquano Sisi, or your hero, our parliament. And yet, this is for the son of sin. But don't pali the police for Tata, a George Mensa or San could create Sikawa, jurisdiction, Emma Bepai, Emma Yene, Olusuye. Now, yes, abenye na abewie ene wona wo kodwa puse alobia hu se na pali dem se o maami ye befo papa nso ye befo na nya sam ganjimi nya sa abon se no entia wonua post ni a woni ni na one commissioner na se woni na kowe ni wanya nka wo san fa chire eyesa etia no ene yam san fa agine ma na commissioners na aka no om de om form san che om dem ni fa mu tena wo se ni aban we promote wa NDC promote wa obenya ube course which will be a sign or they aside. One my side, Mumuni Massa side, she or a powerful than COPP Wokroma, or then or a chief super keko, or more ye ASP, Nenny, only a DCOP, only a DSP, and they or no a chief superintendent. Promote or the 6 months to promote the party sending on the president. Now we are all yes, and a party for a good bri house, or may deep out mechi, posiphony nana, minya one part, like I said, with ye a dampari to be promoted. Now, more yes, and a party for the report to bar, Mon can you know, Namosi and one on Namosi no one.
You say, John Dramani Mahama, Ati, catch IGP say. It's to a course of 2020 and 2024. On Shannon Fine Mu and Mudao and family. What do you say?
And who cried this? The tutor, New Madame Paria, what do you mean for Dampari from CCI? They didn't see for my Ubumunia.
That's what you want Damparico prison cry. And
no dear, send your mania judge, and then Yaman certain questions on so much judges. And to mean, said, aha, Ubeko prison. So all lawyers. But when eni nkofo a wa show no ma ye boni atia nkofo odu man say dampare enne say wa appointing ni pafofra onkofri enye ne de kroma tina enye ne de I'm telling you ye ina ne ti kroma o
yan hwɛ nyama ba ko mienu a ɛwɔ hɔ no ma ɛsɛ ɔde Ghana for 2028 ahead NPP kwan de betimi aboa ma NPP afa ne ntoma pa e de afra 2028
omunim na won say edidija NPP for ne animo edidija nti na ya no mo present kofo ni bi wa obi ti secondary omode ne beba so what I say edidija nti anya say omo fin say yenya the power ne mo man kofo bi ho a wontimi control no ona mo kan ye control ne nyeye yo what I say ono so o nkofo bi wo mu a ona bo kan no ono so o control o ma enyeye obi ti say me kan wontimi control mi enyeye ne wontimi kan jem say chenchena ayi sei ana ayi sei emfa because me nidi wo so what I say bet ye pe wasem ye pe say do ba ye pe say do ba eno no na de ye fe kura wo ho a e ma ni pe nyina tu de nche wo ko te zenka ye wa nyina wo ko kene difia aduane na o ma ya ma no ne nyina be to nze di you that is no maybe wo ha ye wo ne ho a wo hu say so what I say na wo hwe ala wo ko difia kura na ono ne nsuo kura me nya so obi akwala difia ni bia no da one ne yire ne minimum bon ne chen kan yi enso wo hu ne wo hu ani guase o no ankasa wakoje odi abetena ne be so what I say enti ye nim se ye de Kennedy ba ending so bi betimi ankwanya 181 a seat na fe na mo be de kwan am be fa so am beji e problem so what I say we wo Kwabra Japan ne Afoko eni etimi nya 169 samukaya yeah ena Jombodu de ba 137 ena Jasinkudu ade aba 88 nti akakwan ye be fa so ye be Jompo ne de akọ but ye be edwumate nye say ye yano kasa keke edwumate ye be edwumate now mun show don chere party for obi edi party echi saa I mean said da omo di announcement betu ho ana letter be da bontin say oh say all carry member should be vote and also who should so and one really and also card on print on be print egum and also kra be change senka delegate nkwa bia no ehun we so ewo nti omo ya no mahwe se ne ombe ye na ebitimi aboa party no ojo bia we carry member ya hwe udus o statute ya tambe we I mean sana to say omo nim chen ne me make because MB before no me trick sanga nti no say and then and the good side and on the bad side but the idea so far as your party no ye free money ye free much party na me hu ye wo me man tese mako de necessary ko joine MPP ube hu a baby a wo ma me no papa ne ube hu a no ba ba joine NDC fu bi enu wo school bia wo Ghana ha ye wo NDC fu school ne wo MPP fu school be ube hu a no baby a ye wo na e ko na ube hu na nti ye besre say wo so beso mo mind dia mo na moji mo hwasi wa mo university am say mo beso mo mind mo nya fe e ma party mo ya fe e ma party na I hope say bibia ni hoki ma nya fe ama party na say ya ne be ya o say ya ne be say insu beto ne bie buru be fifi na wi abebo ne bi dia ahye de eni abetwa ma wi na bo ne nyina dia ahye abosi because mo pe na mo to mo dia mo ma party no ejina ne na so a enkofo bi wo ha munhunu say debi obia ni udize no onyankopon ama ye nyina yensa na anye baako but edidija de eni amuna ne na mo yemfa ye monyon so nye politics o say eye abansika no mudia oman no oban bie ni ho beba oman no embokada wamu ne wo kwa o de profit dija obi e ko de kabija but ye na ye nyina ye boa na ban ne bae no mosi munkwa na moma oman ne de ka eye munkwa na mugidi oman ne mo yi dia ene se ban sa dia nya dia nso a kofo ebo anto mo yema nya dia asumdwe beba nti e pesre party phone so mun fanshi she pantukon na party nante obi akoma na niyo mo sem kofo bi ne koso eye we kosan like koto aba and na loyalty ne so e service obi ye loyalty no one service a e be free o do car na se ne pani bi kan o se obi a pese ne bako teacher papa onya teacher papa obi a pese onya fitani papa kire na de obi a pese onya hospital doctor papa no hwe no na de ne ba na memu odi a o pese obenya friends enkofo mu odu o me papa fo na do mu bebu man na ofo obi akeke no aponte na o de na abewesi frimo pali ye nipa e fan say dim de chi boxa sa enfie nwotwe na frimo pali hwe nkofo hwe piani mu hwe kwan mu fa so mu beye chief of staff kuma so what I say oba besia won sa house we aban na ma che say airtime kra na ka bede no ma konya sa 11 castle nche agenda 11 kwa di frimo private I'm telling you agenda 11 hospital kwan wo fa so no a ye fa procurement no no asande ni nyina ba na office be hye ne foforo me say mu de mu okuru ma se wa mbete mo asa so what I say be yewura mahama me de asempa na me ka che me ade a me di wo ya wa ne say wo sika wo de ye campaign in a lot of them from the gap I'm telling you so we are just so the gap hu be che na MDC for boys no ne be ka che o man say o mi hia gap be bi o be hia bia na so na o mo twa so what I say because Muhammad nyadi obeye gabi sisi ameno ka say Ibrahim onema gabi ne na so what I say enso kwa asema gabi di ye nyina ni sika nyina na o de support Muhammad onu ku pay sika no onu akufado ma gabi nya sika no na o di yewe na mo party for no na mo no yidin na gabi wa jikuru nyina fa na last 10 years ye musa say last 10 years last 20 years na then na gabi wo okruma na who is gabi no ye wan kofo a omanje adwuma edi wom sika boa party na who is gabi na adwuma ne mo nche be bia na gabi na adwuma wo edi ye nyina na yeso mo man ye kan ye beti ye kan ye kwan bi e be fa so a mo de mo pa mo hisa bi dwere because Kennedy de mo koso ba fo ye de na beba mo koso ba fo me de na beba beche mo nsem beche mo koso ba fo me beche mo nsem because first no kufo time mo ni ade no na social media no na nye se yo de bi ne ni ho na nkane o ha me kan na se na nado ade ye ne ya pa wasasi so ansa na nado beko opposition ye beto abetia se Ghana labi law no a wo revoke ye I'm telling you because ye na ye wo social media dizia no e affect na nado pa wo
yes
ye ni just o revoke sa friends labi law na nka first no masanka wo betimi akasa hwe Joy FM mam ka sam jo omu be ma Joy FM lances no Rollins ma o se omu cha 10% ama government Joy FM enumpo no kwasi twum na ninuam kwasi twum nua ala so na epani ana kwasi twum ne pani na ono ne doctor ne Rollins ene one Rollins kasa ya na Rollins yese ye ma ono silences ye ma no so na ni omu cha 10% e di ama aban no na nka wo be den no betina se wo ka aban asem ana wo ye bibi fradies se ne obi timi didi president atem obi etimi ka ne ope eno de ye mfa ho credit mana na do ni enda na se masa amanfo abre wo kurum ha wo na mo de muni ho idea kura enti no se ne nyame adom na social media ye nya kwanya wo so ni e kan sem bia yana ibi o ha ni atwetwe break kakra na nyoma ni bi won so aya na hye bufuo because nsem ni bi o ha wo ti ase enye we no ye professor na enye we no ye lawyer ni enye we no wasua dia koduru sei be koka no onye MPP ni nchen obia onye boafo se opese onche kwan a efa so onu koka so sinko oba party chairman onche kwan a efa so a oni kwasintini untumi omma Asante region yentimi enya party officer nsi wo o de no kwan bebu no kwan wan konta nya musika o kofo na contribution MPP ndino monji we monji cement monji ayon ho enu mponu antimi on ye party keze meje wo kokanza na wo ya the party information dey say ga beton party ni na e dey ama NDC for nti enyi yewo ni ye tusu ni ye de ne ko akwasinti na oye no wi the next time ameba no ebia na menka akwasinti asem di nipa ndi ba beto because nipa na mo se ye de ne ko first wise yɛn fa ne nkɔ first pass ɔno ne yɛpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ party chairman ne mayɛ Nana Addo ka kyerɛ friends papa William Akutufo so ɔbɛma ne chief of staff ɛnna yɛ kɔ yɛ ho party on the also on period ɔmo ne de Nana Addo bɛyɛ president yɛka Chantel region ɔmo a party ne kita ɔmo a Akutufo ne gya sɛ ɔmo ne de wontumi bɛyɛ party chairman at the end of the day no ɔmo nyinaa wontumi ama sankofo nyinaa no bɛkɔ ase kyɛ sɛ ɛha yɛ papa Akutufo tɔne ne kɔ campaign ɔno ɛna otimi ɛma yɛ yam bekusam ne yɛ de gu yɛ yam fekofeko ne yɛ de gu botru mu wɔse yɛ ndisi fo kama ntɔkɔ a ɔde amemma no wo asɔ ɔne ne kasa no botru gu nini Akutufo wɔyɛ bad man wɔsan so yɛ good man wɔde ase otimi ma apia bia mo de mu ne ma apia nso no ɔde ama mɛma wokɔ ka na sambofo wei nyinaa boa Nana Addo ɛma ɔbɛyɛ president chief of staff and chief of staff so na akwa we you Freeman Pale obie nim say Freeman Pale say we say Illuminati as one and yes I'm friend na ene de omo na ye ya no mukum friends
allegation we dey say
say papa na adwendwen so I say adwendwen yes okun is all the second ko na na so we say Freeman Pale no ase oma Nana Addo no na no Freeman Pale ye kwa campaign Akutufo mtam no ne Nana Addo your first lady no mtv no mo ndia no mo no club then na no oni first lady ye chief of na obi ono o ye mpan
mo kwa campaign no mo do mo chiri ofie
oni Nana Addo yere okay then na no ye Freeman Pale no obi o ye mpan ono wo University of Legon then na no ye o ye nutritious nye mpan no ye obi o ye mpan den be chief of staff ono no amwa party na amwa party no eko ko de tese won say ye kan enra mpan keke wa enra 11 cars
say man no e be true ho say ye ba
enti me chiro party na ba kwase nkofo a ebo a party na party no e tese wanfi wo party no wanfi wo mkra man nkofo di ya enti muka say ye nchiro say obi an nchiro ne de mra ne ye mo kwoti committee a me ne ma me bu free plan committee no so Koti committee ade ye lose ye first lose friends Makokoi enipa 275 when me an control sa parliamentarians in na mienu asese eto abetia na wo se ye koti committee ne fa Makokoi into an wo so ba adwasafo wi ni 3 times as a 4 time o do ba for so ya do ba ya o ba na lose enti committee ne yente wotaifa na Makokoi na no nchire ni ntia ne ba ne lose ye no nche Parliament there no kwan of us will lose simple no mumfa we be a mass yenti committee no committee yes ma mu tie ye ne mu na ye adwuma
yo it for we and someone ababeto yepono so meka say so when you subscribe to channel dia bomodi say obe subscribe say hade latest and hot news enko ena me de bro afi we na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu en someone ekoso Ghana me mo hanum oso betimi a kire wadwen afa yen some we nyira ho wo comment box ni mu mo beti menka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.